Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the exact parts you need and making the first precision cuts. Use a small brushless motor and 2 micro servos. Mount them temporarily to check spacing. Once done, transfer a 1:2 scale template onto lightweight balsa and cut the body halves while leaving 0.5 1 mm margin for sanding. Make sure to balance wing cores symmetrically. Test fit the motor and servos so you can route wiring without stressing joints. Now you build the wing mechanics and secure the motion system. Fit a 0.5 mm piano wire hinge through the wing root and use heat shrink as low friction sleeves. This allows smooth flapping. Once in place, connect the servo horn using a 1:4 linkage ratio to amplify stroke speed for realistic lift. Then reinforce the leading edge with a thin carbon strip and epoxy so wings stay rigid during high-frequency flaps. Make sure to check free play and eliminate binding before final glue cures. You finish by trimming, balancing, and calibrating for flight-like flutter. Place the battery to get a slightly forward center of gravity, then fine-tune servo endpoints so wings flutter around 20-30 Hz. Adjust in 5 degrees steps. Once armed, test short bursts. If the model oscillates or spins, add 1-2 grams to the tail or increase hinge friction slightly to dampen resonance. If wings bind, reopen and sand 0.5 mm from the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.